Wow, it's cool. Decent. Love these stuff. Fishing is wild. Whoa. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. And no one's here because it's nearly sunset. Haha. Wow. Well, it's definitely not Australian National Park standard, but it is definitely your grandma made this in a backyard style, and it's still pretty amazing. Alright, here we are, waterfall number 3. They're all very, very quick waterfalls. This is, if I can even say it, Bangkiang Jaren a natural pool. So this costs $3. Down we go. At least they're spending their money in making infrastructure. To be honest, it's more than what Australia does in some places, because they're getting the rugged raw ones and it's a reasonable little price. We're going up here, I don't know how we get down. It's very weird, maybe it is the other way. It's just to go back up to the road. Right, we'll go back the other way. Still constructing here. This is quite new because this only appeared on the map like when I zoomed in, and there's no track on Gaia, so this must be a very newly trying to make accessible track. So good on them. I don't even really have a photo of this one. Look at the ladder off the side. Steps going, this looks more promising. All concrete track there. Goes down. Wow, actually kind of big. It's a bridge and everything. Much more than I expected. Wow, it's cool. Decent. Sorry. Yeah. Love these stuff. Fishing is wild. Whoa. Yeah, that's actually pretty cool. And no one's here because it's nearly sunset. Haha. Wow. That's fair. Little stairs go up that top level, so we cross that through. That's wicked. I don't know where the secret track goes, but another level here, you'll probably see it from the bridge in a second. Oh, secret side, trip waterfall. Look at that. Look up in the air, there's the kite surfing. There's another one, there's a hidden another trip on the other. Wow, so much here. Alright, we'll get photos of these, we'll go suss that in a minute. Look at people down here. There must be another track. Yeah, right. There's some tripping out. All jungle down there. Another huge drop, which is crazy. I don't know if I heard down there, but anyway, this is cool. Alright, let's get back up to the main. Well, it's definitely not Australian National Park standard, but it is definitely your grandma made this in a backyard style, and it's still pretty amazing. Alright, we've got a million steps to get up the side of this. It's definitely getting dark real fast, so better hurry up. The guys told me this place has only been open for 2 months. Makes sense because it's not even on the map yet, and that's why they're still doing stuff. And he did tell me there's a secret track over the bridge to get on the other side there, so we're going to have to run, try and get some photos before it gets pitch black. Wow. You have to get a photo standing in there with the whole shot. That's pretty sick. Awesome. Oh wow. Pretty good shot. You gotta try and make some steps down there.
Yeah, we have a step.
Oh, there is?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Alright, sunset and I'm done. We got 3 knocked out, so pretty awesome. So yeah, up we go. Hope you enjoyed this journey. Feel free to like, comment, subscribe. Hit the notification bell to get notified of all the new misadventures. Catch you guys in the next one, eh? Peace out.